Welcome to a brand new magical adventure. My name is Lucy. So today, we're stepping into the amazing world of dinosaurs. We'll build a special land with a rumbling volcano, a long river, and a big green forest. Here, we'll meet gentle plant-eating dinos and strong meat-eating dinos too. Let's discover how they lived, what they ate, and the magical secrets hidden in nature. First, let's spread out a soft, green, grassy field for our land. Next, we'll sprinkle tiny, shiny pebbles all around. On the left side, we'll add bright red kinetic sand. So colorful. Let's sprinkle another layer of pebbles to show the border between the mountain and the river. Now, we'll pour in lots of sparkly green slime to make a cool, flowing river. To make it more exciting, we'll place fiery red rocks and a huge volcano. On the right side, the home of plant-eating dinosaurs. We'll plant tall trees and place some big rocks. Don't forget to add fresh green grass to make the scene even more alive. Ta-da! Look at that! Our amazing model is finished! Wow, this scene looks amazing! Just like a tiny magical world. Come on, let's go search for the dinosaurs and make our model even more fun! Microraptor. Microraptor was a tiny dinosaur, only the size of a crow. It had 4 wings, 2 on its arms and 2 on its legs. It couldn't fly far, but it could glide from tree to tree. Its shiny black feathers made it look like a little raven. Microraptor ate insects, small fish, and tiny animals. It lived up in the trees and moved very quickly like a little climber. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus was a huge plant-eating dinosaur. It had 2 rows of tall plates standing up on its back. Its tail had 4 sharp spikes to scare away enemies. Its head was very small compared to its giant body. Stegosaurus loved to munch on green leaves and lived in groups. It looked like it was wearing a strong armor coat on its back. Styracosaurus. Styracosaurus had 1 big horn on its nose, making it look very brave. Behind its head was a large frill with many sharp spikes. Even though it looked scary, it was a gentle plant eater. Its strong legs helped it walk slowly but firmly. The long horns kept it safe from meat-eating dinosaurs. When together in a herd, they looked like a wall of spikes. Velociraptor. Velociraptor was small but super fast. It had curved, sharp claws on its feet for hunting. Its mouth was filled with pointy teeth to bite meat. Velociraptors didn't hunt alone. They worked together in packs. They were very smart and could take down big animals as a team. Even though tiny, velociraptors were very dangerous hunters. Quetzalcoatlus. Quetzalcoatlus was a giant flying reptile. Its wings were as long as a school bus. It had a long beak for catching fish from the water. Quetzalcoatlus could fly very far across the sky. On the ground, it looked like a huge stork. It was one of the biggest flying creatures to ever live. Pachycephalosaurus. Pachycephalosaurus had a big round head with super thick bones. Its skull could be up to 10 inches thick. Scientists think it used its head to bump into others, like rams do. It ate plants, seeds, and yummy fruits. It looked like it was wearing a natural hard helmet. This funny dinosaur was very different from many others. Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus was a giant sea monster. Its body was long like a crocodile, but with 4 strong flippers. Its jaws were filled with big, sharp teeth. Mosasaurus was the top hunter of the ocean. It ate fish, sea turtles, and even other reptiles. In the ocean, Mosasaurus was the true sea king. Centrosaurus. Centrosaurus had one big horn on its nose, like a rhino. Its frill was shorter, with a few small spikes. It was a plant eater that liked to live in large herds. When attacked, the herd stayed close together to stay safe. The nose horn was used for fighting and showing strength. Centrosaurus was gentle, but also strong and brave. Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus was covered in heavy armor plates. Its back looked just like a giant shield. At the end of its tail, it had a huge bony club. It could swing the club to hit and scare away predators. Even though it looked tough, it only ate plants. Ankylosaurus was like a living tank of the dinosaur world. Dimetrodon. Dimetrodon was not a dinosaur, but it lived before them. It had a huge sail on its back like a tall fan. The sail helped it warm up in the sunshine. Dimetrodon was a meat eater with sharp, strong teeth. It ruled the land in its time, long before real dinosaurs. Its strange sail made it look very different from others. Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus had a long, curved crest on its head. Scientists think it used the crest to make loud, honking sounds. It was a gentle plant eater that loved soft leaves. Parasaurolophus could walk on 2 legs or 4 legs. It liked to stay in big groups to stay safe. Its long crest made it one of the most unique dinosaurs. Therizinosaurus. Therizinosaurus had giant claws as long as big scissors. It looked scary, but it mostly ate plants. Its body was huge, with a small head and a long neck. The claws helped it pull down branches full of leaves. It walked on 2 legs, slowly moving around. Even with its scary claws, Therizinosaurus was peaceful. Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus had heavy armor all over its body, like a living tank. It had a large club at the end of its tail for defense. This dinosaur was a plant eater and loved to munch on low-growing ferns. Its short legs and wide body kept it close to the ground. The bony plates on its back protected it from hungry predators. Ankylosaurus used its tail club to fight back against fierce hunters like T-Rex. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus had a tall sail on its back, like a giant fin. It lived near rivers and loved to eat fish. Its mouth was long and narrow, just like a crocodile's. Spinosaurus was one of the biggest meat eaters ever. The sail may have helped it stay warm or look bigger. It was a powerful hunter, both in water and on land. Allosaurus. Allosaurus was a fierce predator with sharp teeth. It had 3 fingers on each hand with curved claws. It was smaller than T-Rex, but still very dangerous. Allosaurus often hunted in groups to catch big prey. It lived long before the T-Rex appeared. This dinosaur was smart and a scary hunter. Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus had 2 short horns above its eyes, like a bull. It was a fast and fierce meat-eating dinosaur. Its arms were very tiny, even smaller than T-Rex's. Carnotaurus had strong legs that helped it chase prey quickly. Its skin was covered with small bumps and scales for protection. This horned hunter ruled the dry plains of South America. Wow, that was such a dino-tastic adventure. We met so many amazing dinosaurs, big and small. Which one was your favorite? Tell Lucy in the comments. Our dino world looks so alive, with rivers, trees, and roaring friends. Thank you for joining me today, little explorers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.